Good morning, everyone. It's Muriel here. I wanted to come on and share with you and show you the boxes that I made for my Pokey tools. I had put that request out on a video, and a sweet person, I believe Kathy from Ireland, shared with me the email or tutorial she found on YouTube by Vagabonder Crafter. Vagabond Crafter, excuse me. Vagabond Crafter. She has a Pokey toolbox tutorial, and I will put that in the comment section of this video once it gets posted. But I'm glad I found it because it was perfect. I used acetate to make the boxes with. The tutorial is so easy. I wanted to, again, my mission is to get in my stash and see what I have and use it. So I have lots of acetate. I didn't have any Christmas per se, but the gold and silver with the dots will do. I'm using a snow and cocoa tassel, a Rosie Studio tag, and then this bauble, not sure where it comes from, and I just have it tied on with some gold string. And then on the top, I have a flare button. These flare buttons I've had for many, many years. I purchased them on Etsy. The person is Ruth and Dottie Flare Buttons, and I'll show you the email address, the URL, excuse me, ruthanddottie.etsy.com. And they make these flare buttons in every color, every season, every holiday. I have these Christmas, like I said, I've had them for over 6-7 years. You can get Valentine's, Halloween, whatever. So I just kind of put them on top to decorate that. So I'm really pleased at how they came out. Again, using just what I have in my stash. This one here says Slay All Day. This one, oh, and then at the bottom of the box, I did use some shred. I have to tell you about this shred. This shred was purchased, again, 10 years ago. From Tuesday Morning. If you remember, Tuesday Morning had the best crinkle shred. This is a lime green, and it just has the iridescent pieces in it. It's beautiful shred. It's not anything like what you would find anywhere else. Not at Hobby Lobby, not at Dollar Tree. It's beautiful shred, so I use it very sparingly. They also had a gold that we use a lot because it really gave us that Maggie Holmes flair. And I have several bags of those. I haven't even opened them. Again, I'm using these for special occasions. So I just pulled out a few of them. I mean, it's just beautiful shred. Beautiful. And put it in the bottom of the box, just so it'll give some more color to it. And here, this button says, it's the reason, I'm the reason there's a naughty list. Sorry, they go there. And then this one here says, I've been nice-ish. So, really cute. So I do have one more that I'm going to put the button on top. Again, just using whatever I have. I didn't care about the color. I just thought that just get it on here. So I have this flare button, and I'm just using some sticky thumb adhesive because it's really good. Another Tuesday Morning find. I'm just going to put this on the back of the flare button. Some flare buttons have adhesive dots on the back, but hers come like this. And if you want to order them in a pin, you can do that too. So just be careful if you go on her site. Hopefully she's still in business. Okay, and this one says the box check, naughty, nice, or other. I just thought it needed something on the top. And of course, they can take this off, remove the sticky tape, and use it however. They can also use the bauble and the tassel. So there you go. I am 5 in for my boxes. Again, I'll put the tutorial down below so that you can follow and make one. It's very easy. Commend her for coming up with the idea. Lots of people did suggest that KS Craft has one, which I have her pin box, and it's just not big enough for these Pokey tools because the beads and the eraser's a little bit wider. So, and once again, here is the information for Ruth and Dottie.etsy.com if you're interested in seeing if she still makes these flare buttons. And I looked up to try to find this shred. I could not. I don't think they make this anymore, or I don't know. Maybe we would find it at a Ross or whatever, but it's the most beautiful shred I've ever used. So there you go, you guys. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.